Good morning, students. Now I am Dolly, of your science teacher, and today I am going to teach science for class 4th, and our topic is our food. Students, my first question is what is food? आप food से क्या समझते हो? Food आखिर है क्या? It's a very simple answer. हम जो रोज खाते हैं अपने डाइट में उसे हम food बोल सकते हैं. So now open page number 1 and listen carefully. Living things need food. Living things को food की ज़रूरत है. For what? If we take food, then we give energy and it helps to grow and stay healthy. अगर हम food नहीं लेंगे तो ना तो हम healthy रहेंगे और ना ही हम grow कर सकते हैं और ना ही हमारे पास कोई एनर्जी होगा. सो फूड इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर लिविंग लाइफ. इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन रिपेयरिंग द वियर एंड टीयर ऑफ आवर बॉडी. फूड को कंटेन करने से हमारे बॉडी में रिपेयरिंग होता है, जैसे वियर एंड टीयर. व्हेन द फूड वी ईट इज़ यूज्ड अप बाय आवर फूड वी फील हंग्री एंड वीक. अगर हम भूखे रहते हैं और भोजन नहीं लेते हैं तो वी फील हंग्री, हमें भूखा महसूस होता है और हम कमज़ोर भी महसूस करते हैं. सो आवर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज न्यूट्रिशंस. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय न्यूट्रिशंस? फूड कंटेन्स डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस विच आर यूजफुल टू आवर बॉडी. दिस सब्सटेंस आर कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिशंस. जो हम अलग अलग तरह के पदार्थ अपने बॉडी में लेते हैं उसे हम न्यूट्रिशंस बोल सकते हैं. न्यूट्रिशंस आर नेसेसरी फॉर लाइफ एंड ग्रोथ. द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग इन फूड एंड यूटिलाइजिंग इट फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आवर बॉडी इज नोन एज न्यूट्रिशंस. ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू, if we can't take food then we can't stay. Food contains nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Food also contain water and roughage. फूड में बहुत तरह के न्यूट्रिशंस होते हैं, लाइक दैट विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स, वाटर एंड roughage also. First topic is proteins. Proteins helps our body to grow. They help our body to build muscles, other organs and blood. So now my question is, what is the role of protein? If anybody asks what is the role of protein, then what we say? We can say, we can write proteins helps to grow our body. And they also helps to build muscles, other organs and blood. प्रोटीन्स हमारे बॉडी में हमारे बॉडी को ग्रोथ करने के लिए काम करता है और हमारे मसल्स को और ब्लड ऑर्गन्स को भी बनाता है. दैट इज़ वाई फूड विच कंटेन प्रोटीन्स आर कॉल्ड बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. इसलिए हम प्रोटीन्स इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड body building food. So now students, I hope you can understand then what is the proper meaning of protein. So now turn the page and open page number 2, and our protein also helps to repair the wear and tear of the body. Children need more proteins than adults as they grow and rapidly than adults. Just like meat, fish, egg, milk, pulses, nuts and chickens are some food items that rich in protein. And my question is, what is the example of protein? Yeah, what is the rich in the proteins? Then we can write, firstly I rub. Then we can write egg, fish, meat, cheese, nuts. These all are rich in proteins. So now we can also see the figure of the example. First is meat, then second is fish, then third is egg, milk, cheese, pulses, nuts, chicken. These all gets protein for our body. Then now our second paragraph is carbohydrate. And we also think about what is carbohydrates. Then carbohydrate give us energy. If अगर हम अपने बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स लेते हैं तो हमें उससे एनर्जी मिलती है. People who do more physical work such as sports person and laborers need more carbohydrates. जो इंसान ज़्यादा फिजिकल वर्क करते हैं उन्हें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrate. Rice, sugar and potatoes are some of the foods which are rich in carbohydrate. And now if I ask what is the example of carbohydrates, what are the rich in carbohydrates, then we can write rice and sugar are rich in carbohydrates. You can also see the example sugar, rice, potatoes. Already I have explained you. Then rice and sugar are rich in carbohydrates. Then now our next topic on page number 3, our next topic is fats. Already we have know that what is the meaning of fats. Fat to give us energy. From the fats we give us energy. हम फैट से अपने बॉडी में एनर्जी पाते हैं. They also help to keep our body warm. अगर हम फैट्स की मात्रा अपने बॉडी में लेते हैं तो वो हमारे बॉडी को गर्म रखता है. Like that oil, butter, ghee, nuts and fish contains fats. Too much fats is not good for our health. We already know that अगर हम ज़्यादा फैट्स अपने बॉडी में लेते हैं तो हमारे हेल्थ के लिए बिल्कुल भी हार्मफुल होता है, वो हेल्दी नहीं होता है. So food rich in carbohydrate and fats are called energy giving food. In previous topic I taught you that proteins are called body building food, and now the second most important topic is food rich in carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food. So I hope you all understand that food and rich in carbohydrate and fats are called energy giving food. So now student, our next question is check points. You can see on the book check points. In the check points we can fill some blanks. So I have written on the blackboard check point. And in check point, which type of question we solve? Fill in the blanks. It means खाली जगहों को हमें भरना है, fill करना है. So our first question is, dash are bodybuilding food. Already I have taught you which are called bodybuilding food. In first paragraph, now open page number 1 and look at this paragraph. Look at this line. Food which contain proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Then what is the first question? Dash are the bodybuilding food. Can you tell me which is the correct answer for this question? The correct answer is proteins are called bodybuilding food. Now take a pencil and note the answer in the first question of the checkpoint, fill in the blanks. Proteins are bodybuilding food. And now our second question is, dash and dash are giving food. Already I have taught you which are called energy giving food. And now you can see this paragraph. Food rich in carbohydrate and fats are called energy giving food. Then what is the correct answer we have to put here? The correct answer is fats and carbohydrates. Fats and carbohydrates are energy giving food. Now the third question is, meat and fish are rich in dash. Already I have told you in paragraph protein, I taught that what is the example of proteins. Then we already taught meat, fish, eggs, milk, these all are coming in proteins. So what is the correct answer we have to put here? The correct answer is meat and fish are rich in proteins. I hope you all understood. And now our fourth question is, rice is rich in dash. Then what is the proper answer of the question 4? Rice is rich in what? From the rice we give what? Which type of nutritions? From the rice we get carbohydrates nutrition. So we put here carbohydrates. And the correct answer is of question 4 is rice is rich in carbohydrates. Now the last question is, butter and ghee are rich in dash. Before sometimes I taught you which are coming in fats. So example of fats are butter, ghee, cheese, nuts, fish. These all are rich in fats. So what is the question is asking? Butter and ghee are rich in dash. Then what is the proper answer of this question? The proper answer of this question are butter and ghee are rich in fats. Then our checkpoint fill in the blanks are completed. So today your homework is complete this fill in the blanks and learn the previous topic. That's all.